Hey, how are you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Penny stocks are going super hot lately. 100, 200, 300, all the way to 1700%. Unbelievable move with FFIE. We did call the FFIE when it was 5 cents, right around here. CRKN when it was 7 cents. It did run up all the way to 900%. Trade alerts and ideas on our amazing Discord in real time on the description below. And we will find the next big runners. Yes, we can, guys. If you are trading these penny stocks and movers, you've got to have a plan and discipline, in my opinion. Key points and checklists in mind before entering a trade. You gotta ask yourself, what is your risk and reward ratio? You gotta figure that out within yourself. What is your trade setup in mind? Are you day trading it? Are you scalping it in and out? Like these simple moves right here. If you buy it right here and sold it right here, that's 100% gain, guys. That small move right here on my chart is 100%. So you gotta have that set mindset before entering a trade. Are you day trading it, scalping it, swing trading it 1, 2, or 3 days? If you are swing trading these stocks, I mean, these stocks you would have made a lot if you are swing trading it, but you know, depending on you, are you short setup? So depending on what you're looking at, in my opinion. If you don't have a planner or checklist before entering a trade, comment quick checklist trade and we will send you one for free. Bottom line is we don't want you to lose money. We want you to make money. Capital preservation is the key on this channel, guys, and quality trades only. Remember, if you trade, take some profit on the way up. If you're wrong, auto sell is your friend. There will always be a next big runner. Let's talk about our checklist and watch list next week. I think VHAI. I think VHAI is top watch list for next week. Current price is 15 cents. 15 to 17 cents, in my opinion, is a good level. Software and AI sector. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. I'm just sharing my opinion here. Low price stocks is where you make the most money as a retail trader, in my opinion. You're not going to make money on those AMC, GameStop because they're high price. Mathematically, we are going to make money on these penny stocks, in my opinion. That's just mathematically sound. It is perfect for small capital traders. I mean, unless you're a hedge fund or a bank traders that have all the capital in the world. I hope this video helps. Comments down below for any added analysis that you may have, and enjoy the rest of the day and see you on the next video.